Hey there. You seriously need to see this best 230AH 280AH 4S. It has been trending everywhere lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is absolutely impressive. The materials feel solid and very comfortable to handle. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. Beyond the looks, the power is what's most impressive. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: they are selling out fast. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.